A mistake made by the St. Louis Circuit Attorney's Office is having a ripple effect on one family's fight for justice.
Yeah, last night our I-team told you about a robbery victim listed as dead who is very much alive. And tonight, our Christine Byers outlines how the case from almost 3 years ago keeps getting delayed.
Jim Dandridge's son was robbed at gunpoint in the summer of 2020. 3 men were charged in connection with that crime, including Daniel Riley, who is now charged with severely injuring volleyball player Janae Edmondson. A mistake in the paperwork showed that Dandridge's son was deceased, jeopardizing his case.
I would say I'm shocked, but it's par for the course for this attorney's office. They don't get anything right. I'm just so shocked. I mean, this attorney, the prosecutor, we went to court with her a year ago. Why didn't she call and say, hey, if nothing else, I'm sorry to hear the passing of your son?
Earlier today, the I-team told Jim Dandridge a second suspect in his son's robbery didn't make it to trial. Charges were dropped against Elijah Graham Tuesday in court. Graham's defense attorney filed a motion to dismiss the case after the Circuit Attorney's Office told him the victim in the robbery was dead. He's not. He's alive. It's the second time this week we've reported how this robbery case has been falling apart due to misinformation from the St. Louis Circuit Attorney's Office.
So now we have another armed felon who robbed my son at gunpoint out on the street and able to do the same thing all over again. I wonder when and if this case will be reissued. What's going on at our Circuit Attorney's Office? There's no accountability for anything. How does this happen? How can you mark on 2 different files that my son's deceased without any validation?
While a suspect in that case, Elijah Graham wore an ankle monitor. He violated it multiple times, according to his attorney, and prosecutors never filed a motion to revoke his bond. Tonight, he's a free man. I called and I emailed the Circuit Attorney's Office for comment on this story, and I have not heard back. For the I-team, Christine Byers, 5 on your side.